This time we're gonna be running a multiple regression model. Just like we had before, I have this file that we have been using, and I'm gonna try to predict the salary information based on the GPA of the student, but this time I am also going to add the GRE variable, and I'm going to try to see if maybe the combination of the two variables can predict the salary information. Okay, so just like before, we go to analyze, we go to regression, linear, and this time I'm going to be entering the salary as the dependent variable, GPA as my independent variable, and I am also be adding GRE verbal as my list of independent variables. And once that I have these variables in the correct slots, I just click on OK, and I get the result of my multiple regression model. Notice that this is the table that you have on your PowerPoint presentation, and this table is the table that we use to calculate some values. Just like before, we had the intercept, we also have the coefficient for GPA, and this time we also have a coefficient for GRE verbal. So um, just like before, although you don't have this in your PowerPoint presentation, SPSS will give me an ANOVA table that will basically let me know if my model was significant. And as you can see here, we have that the value is significant, which is basically saying that my model is significant. And also, like before, I'm gonna get this correlation. This time it is a multiple correlation, and so it's a little bit different from what we had before, and the same thing goes for the R square. It's a little bit different from what we had before because this time is using the combination of the two variables rather than just one of the variables.